Mom, can we go shopping today? I saw some really cute clothes online that I want to check out in person.
I don't know, honey. We just went shopping last week, and I don't think you need any more clothes right now.
But Mom, I haven't bought anything new in a while, and I've been saving up my allowance for this.
I understand that, but you also have a lot of clothes already. Plus, we should be mindful of our spending.
I know, but I promise I'll be careful with my money. And besides, it's not like I'm asking for anything too expensive.
I hear you, but I'm still not convinced. Can you think of any other reasons why we should go shopping today?
Well, we haven't spent much time together lately, and I thought it would be a fun mother-daughter outing.
That's a good point. I miss spending time with you too. Okay, we can go shopping today, but let's make sure we stick to a budget and only get things that you really need.
Yay! Thank you, Mom. I promise we'll be responsible with our spending.